It's been a second since our last video, but believe me when I tell you that we've been working a lot. In this video, we're getting our shower done, starting with a water test. After pet sitting for a week and getting prepared collecting all of the materials that we were needing for our next project, we were ready to finally get going with our shower.
5.4 times 27.5 divided by 2, and then if I multiply it by both of my calculators.
Hey everybody, we are back and we have been battling the heat here in New Orleans. It's been about 100 degrees every day, maybe 110 with the heat index, but
we are outside and we are already sweating. We
Yes.
haven't done anything and we are already sweating.
but we're gonna try to attack the bathroom that we've already framed up. We're gonna start working on the walls on the outside and trying to run some of the pecs up to our shower head, and yeah, wish us luck. Just wish that we don't pass out.
We have a bunch of stuff inside the house, so we need to get going. We have the tiles
Yes.
picked up, which we are really excited for you to see. And we
Yeah.
are so excited to install.
Our house is like a warehouse. We've got tile, we've got
Pipes,
walls, we've got pipes.
cement.
What do you need? We might even have a forklift in there.
Anyways,
Yes.
stick with us and remember to subscribe and like.
Like and subscribe. Smash that button.
And yeah. Hey! That's so perfect.
To start putting our shower together, we cut the walls that would go outside of the shower. We cut the final hole in the floor for our drain and prepare the setup to install our shower pan permanently. Oh, salió caleta. Qué fuerte el olor.
A ring around it. There you go, but make it.
¡Ay!
Good, good.
¡Mira lo que me pasó!
Look how
I
pretty.
have a magic wand on our tree. It's our drain. And
Yep,
definitely,
it's in
it's
there.
in there. We're going to try to see if there are any leaks in this shower.
This artwork, piece of artwork.
Looks like it's going out the shower. There's no other water coming out.
After cutting the holes for the pipes, we also install a little shower light and a switch, a must-have. We went with Shark Bite EvoPex for the fittings. When you connect these by pushing them, you should see a green dot. That made us feel much more confident about our connections. See? You really have to push.
¡Qué vergüenza! Ok, vamos. 1, 2, 3. ¡Lo logré!
Yeah?
¡Lo logré! ¡Lo logré! ¿Se ve el verde?
I see green.
We made sure we left our connections ready to go for when we start working with the rest of the plumbing, meaning water tank, water pump, water heater, etc. We also ran the pipes that will go to our sink. Got the flashing tape done. And I must say, it was not my favorite part at all. This tape is so strong, so sticky. It was just staying. Stick to me. I don't like it, man. But we got it done, so there's better no water getting in. For our backer board, we went with Wedi Boards, which are lightweight and extra recommended for this type of projects.
Whoa.
This is how our shower is looking. Look at it.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Time to do some red guard. Esos efectos especiales. Wow.
¿Cómo huele? Como
Huele como a tintura de pelo.
Como químico.
The exciting part of applying the red guard in this long process is that after this we can finally tile.
So while Aidan is mixing the cement for our tile, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we picked, the colors. Sorry if I look really sweat, but it's so bad right now. You basically don't do anything and start sweating. Okay, so for one of the walls, we're gonna go with this matte tile. We decided to go with this one because it was just right next to the other one that we picked and it should look really good together, and it's the same color. So this is our mat. Ta-da! It's a penny tile and it's aloe vera. You might think it looks a little bit gray, and you know, you can see it kind of gray, but it's kind of towards like a light pastel green. It looks really nice. I don't know, I really like it. And then for the other two walls, we're gonna have these guys, regular square, and again it's an aloe vera color, aloe vera. So I don't know if you can see it better there or see it clear. I think we're gonna put it like this way. Thank you. Day 2 of tiling. Yesterday we spent the whole afternoon. We probably worked from like around 3 to around 8 Luckily we started with one of the walls that doesn't have a lot of things, just one hole, so we can kind of like try and get used to the whole system. So we think it went pretty well. So hopefully today we'll get done the other wall and the second wall as well, and kind of like finish tiling. While I'm inside installing the ceramic, Aidan has been taking over the cutting of the ceramic, so he's been doing a great job. ¿Qué tal? We've finished wall number 2. Pretty hard, exhausting, but we did it. And after some lunch, some time with the AC, I changed my hair because over here it was hurting, and this helps my hair not to come to my face while we're working. Because with the heat and the humidity, it's just the stickiness. I go crazy. But we are ready to continue working with wall number 3 and the last one.